Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be trying to put my SIM card in my iPhone 4S. So first step is, can we get the iPhone 4S to turn on in 2023? So it is trying to charge right now, so we're going to let this charge up a little bit, and we're going to try to get my T-Mobile SIM card in here. Now my T-Mobile SIM card is a nano SIM. These use the, I think it's a mini SIM, whatever size the largest size is here. So I have this is the piece that comes on the little actual SIM card when you get it. So I'm going to try to kind of put the SIM card back in and snap it back in here and see if we can insert it into the iPhone 4S and just see what it does. The SIM card is already activated on T-Mobile. It's my main SIM card. So we're just going to see if T-Mobile still allows this phone to connect to the network. It is an iPhone 4S, so of course it is 3G. 3G networks are still a thing right now, so they're kind of sparse, but we'll see what we can get. I'm going to let this charge up, and if it does turn on, I'll come back and we'll try to get the SIM card in there. It's been a few minutes now. I'm still waiting. Haven't powered on yet. We are pulling about 4.6 watts. Right here I got it plugged into my Anchor power bank so I can see the power draw. Pulling about 4.6 watts, so it looks like it is attempting to charge. It does say it's charging. We get the little battery icon right there. So we're going to let this sit here and charge up some more, and hopefully in a few minutes it'll power on and we can try to pop the SIM card in and see what it does. Alright, we have signs of life. It is starting up. I don't even remember if I set this phone up when I got it, or what version it's on. Oop, we just had the vibrate. Okay, I did set it up. Let's see. I think this was a Verizon iPhone, so I don't even know if it'll work. But we're on iOS 6.1.3, so we should have iMessage, I believe. But I'm gonna try to get the SIM card in real quick, and if I can get in, we'll take a look at everything. All right, so I did get my little SIM card back in the little thing here, and it's actually in there pretty good, so I don't think it's gonna fall out or anything like that in the phone. Yeah, so it uses the larger one like that. I don't know if this is going to work, because like I said, I think this is a Verizon phone, and I don't know how unlocking was back in the day, but it is in there. It is not in there. Now it's in there, I think. Nope, it keeps popping out right here on the side. Alright, hopefully that doesn't get stuck. But let's see what it does. Alright, we don't have any like messages or anything. It is a CDMA phone, so that might also affect things. I don't think T-Mobile does CDMA anymore, and I don't think that's going to work on this SIM card. So that is unfortunate. Yeah, it is Verizon, so I don't think that's gonna work. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a restart real quick and just see if that does anything. So we'll go ahead and restart real quick and see if it detects the SIM card at all or anything like that. But it did power on. It's been sitting for a few years now, so nice to see it powered on, but it doesn't look like you're going to be able to take your SIM card and pop it over and try to use an iPhone 4S in 2023. So we'll see how quick it turns on here. If I had a different SIM card, it might work. Like I said, it is a CDMA phone. I don't think once T-Mobile took over Sprint and switched everything over, I don't think they work on CDMA now at all. I think it used to. So we'll see. It does say searching. So we'll see if that does anything. Let me see if it changed anything in here in terms of, no, it still says Verizon. So I don't think it's going to pick up a network. There's a software update for it. 6.4.1, what are we on now? 6.1.3. But yeah, I don't think the network is going to work. So unfortunately, the answer to the question is, looks like no, you cannot use an iPhone 4S. At least not with a T-Mobile, a current T-Mobile SIM in 2023. But the iPhone still powers on, so that's pretty cool to see. Like I said, we were on iOS 6 here. It looks like it updates to 6.4.3 is the last update it got. So pretty cool. Like I said, iPhone 4S right there. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.